Filling and exhaust of cab tilting system can only be processed after cab turned off to original position. In the common areas, use the HV32 hydraulic oil to turn over oil pump and HS32 type hydraulic oil in cold regions. When the cab lifting oil cylinder needs to fill, open the oil plug, add specified hydraulic oil to the edge of filler, while cab is turned up slowly with the hand pump to continue refueling. Put cab down and make the excess oil overflow at the same time. Cab turned up with oil pump again. Check oil level and add oil after the cab is back to the original position. Tighten the oil plug and make the handle to the lock position.